Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Welcome back. It's so nice to have you here with us again.
Today, we have a very useful and fun topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to talk about your weekend in English.
This is something you can use in real life all the time.
Exactly. At work, at school, or even with friends.
So, Sarah, let me ask you, how was your weekend?
My weekend was really nice and relaxing.
That's great to hear. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I woke up a bit late.
Nice. Sleeping late is always a good start.
Yes, I needed it. Then I made breakfast and had some tea.
That sounds peaceful.
After that, I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, not so fun.
Not very fun, but necessary.
That's true. Did you do anything fun later?
Yes, in the afternoon, I met a friend at a cafe.
Oh, nice. What did you have?
I had a coffee and a chocolate cake.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
It was really good. We talked for a long time.
I love long conversations at cafes.
Me too. What about you, Lucas? What did you do on Saturday?
My Saturday was a bit more active.
Oh, really?
Yes, I went to the park in the morning.
That's nice. Was the weather good?
Yes, it was sunny and warm.
Perfect weather.
I went for a run.
Wow, very healthy.
I ran for about 25 minutes.
That's impressive.
After that, I was very tired.
I can imagine.
So I went home and took a long shower.
That must have felt great.
It did. Then I made a big breakfast.
What did you eat?
Eggs, toast, and coffee.
That sounds perfect after exercise.
Yes, it was.
What did you do in the afternoon?
I stayed at home and played video games.
Oh, nice. Which game?
A racing game.
Were you good?
Sometimes, but I lost one race in a funny way.
Oh, really? What happened?
I was winning, and suddenly my phone rang.
Oh, no.
I looked at my phone for 1 second and crashed.
That's so unlucky.
Yes, very unlucky.
That's a funny story.
It is.
So, what did you do in the evening?
In the evening, I watched a movie at home.
Was it good?
Yes, it was very interesting.
Nice. I stayed at home too.
Did you watch something?
Yes, I watched a series.
How many episodes?
3 episodes.
Wow, you really liked it.
Yes, I couldn't stop watching.
I know that feeling. Now, let's talk about Sunday. How was your Sunday, Sarah?
My Sunday was very calm.
That sounds nice.
In the morning, I went for a short walk.
Like meat on Saturday.
Yes, but I didn't run.
Good choice.
Then I visited my parents.
Aw, that's lovely.
Yes, we had lunch together.
What did you eat?
We had chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
It was, and my mother made a cake.
Oh, wow. What kind of cake?
Chocolate cake.
Now I'm jealous.
It was really good.
Did anything funny happen?
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
My little brother tried to carry the cake,
Okay.
and he almost dropped it.
Oh, no.
But he saved it at the last second.
That's lucky.
Yes, we all laughed.
That's a good memory.
It really is.
What did you do after lunch?
We just talked and relaxed.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
What about you, Lucas? How was your Sunday?
My Sunday was very quiet.
Sometimes that's the best.
Yes, I stayed at home most of the day.
What did you do?
In the morning, I read a book.
What kind of book?
A simple storybook.
That's great for learning English.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Did you cook?
Yes, I made pasta.
Easy and fast.
Exactly.
What did you do in the afternoon?
I took a short nap.
A Sunday nap is the best.
Yes, I felt very fresh after that.
And in the evening?
In the evening, I watched a football match.
Did your team win?
Yes, they won 2-1.
That's great.
I was very happy.
This is a great example of how to talk about your weekend.
Yes, just use simple sentences like I went, I ate, and I watched.
Exactly. Keep it simple and clear.
And don't forget to add small details.
Details make your story more interesting.
like funny moments or food you ate.
Yes, everyone loves food stories.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Now, let's quickly review.
We talked about Saturday activities.
We talked about Sunday routines.
We shared stories, food, and funny moments.
And we used simple past tense.
Now, Lucas, do you have a bonus tip?
Yes, my tip is practice talking about your weekend every Monday.
That's a great idea.
You can just say 3 to 5 sentences.
Yes, like I stayed home or I met a friend.
Simple and easy.
Well, everyone, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Comment weekend below if you are still watching.
And tell us about your weekend.
We would love to read your stories.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a wonderful week.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.